hopefully I'll have enough time to cure up between now and freezing snowstorm that's coming on Wednesday. So we got her done, which is great. Ooh. Hey guys, just got off work, so what I'm gonna do is do a little bit of sealing on the RV. Pretty much we've done all that stuff up there and a little bit to do on that vent over there, but I'm not worried about it right now. But what I am worried about is this area right here by the AC unit holds water. So I'm gonna clean up and then seal up this bead right here. Let's get some light on the subject. Yeah, we're gonna reseal this guy so it's less likely to drain into the wall there. And I'm gonna try to make it all the way across the line there. So I don't have a tripod right now, so I'm just gonna get this done. I'll take a couple pictures in the process, but I'm not gonna try to too much of one-handed camera and then the other hand spreading out gook in the prep work. You got an idea of what we're doing on the other side, so I'll just take a before and after for you guys. Get this done. It's supposed to freeze here in the next day or so, so I was up here to get the materials off. I got tied up doing videos and stuff, RC crawling on the wall down there that's covered with leaves. Been spending a lot of time on the video for the pool winterization and living life and keeping a balance and working and editing and just having fun. All right guys, so we'll just do this back line and seal this back seam of this RV, and then we'll go from there. So I tried doing some scraping, but this is all pretty well good to go. So there's a spot right there that might be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use a wire brush and scrub along the whole line there. Then I'm gonna wipe it off with this rag. And then I'm just gonna apply some tubes of this stuff here, or some cans of that stuff here. I'm just gonna slather on. I'll probably use both the cans I have. And then after that, I'll feel pretty good about, you know, just if I can't get out here again throughout the year or until spring, I'll feel good about it being sealed up enough. With the wood and stuff covering the vents, this thing's probably been sitting for about 5 years unsealed. So, but I'm kind of looking forward to getting this sealed up. That way I can do some stuff on the inside. So we'll just go ahead and get this done, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm applying the goop, and then what it looks like when we're done. All right guys, so we are halfway across the back. Then I just put some screws in here for now. I got that's the trim that goes up and over, and so I got that sealed up. I'll run those screws in when I have a screw gun, but I have them banged in there with a hammer enough to where they will hold that until I can get up here with a screw gun. And then we're gonna do this guy here. It's kind of, you can see where it's kind of lifting up there. So we're just, I prepped around here and I wiped it. So we're just gonna put some more of this stuff on. And we're gonna go slow and kind of pack in those edges, make new edges, and go all the way to, we don't have to go super thick, but not super thin. We need to go all the way to the tube, the pipe. That way when it puddles up here, it doesn't leak through. But the prep is an important thing. So we slowly push it into the metal. That way there's no air bubbles underneath for dirt to get in. Right. Awesome. So that doesn't look super professional, but looks good enough for what we're doing. All right. And then if we have enough left, we'll go around the professional fix job there. We'll go around the cover. This water is going to end up in this area here, and I'm not trusting this tape a whole heck of a lot right now. So, but it's good for guttering the stuff away. But I'm going to do the same. I'm going to put some more stuff right here if I have enough left over. So we're gonna go to the other side. Actually, yeah, we're gonna go to the other side, and then if we have enough, we'll do this area here. And that's pretty much empty. So we're gonna grab the other one. They don't fill it up all the way. All right, I guess they leave room for expansion. So I'm just gonna take some of this gear here. Pull out the can, and that's done right there. So we're just gonna start here. Give her the business. Okay. All right. Grab some more. Push it really good into the metal, because there's going to be a lot of water right here. It doesn't have to look too pretty, because no one's going to be up here looking at it, but they will be downstairs looking to make sure it seals. You know what I mean? kind of hard to get the good lighting. I got a hoodie that's kind of blocking. All right, so that side. It's pretty much blended in, sealed up. Okay. I'll put a little bit more on.
looks pretty good. That looks pretty good to me in this lighting. I'm gonna put a little bit up here for the transition, even though I already hit that. That way it's one even coat. That's amazing. One thing I'm kind of worried about is right here is the water that when it's really high that doesn't go over that edge there. We'll want to come over here, but I'm thinking we might be okay. Seems like they'll all go right over there. So I'll take what's left and go around this this AC unit. I'm gonna shut you off because I'm gonna get this done, and I'll show you after it's all said and done. Okay guys, so here's what I've done. I've gotten these two vents done. Those are the sewer vents. I'm not gonna replace them this year because of the weather. If it turns out that I can, I will. Everything is good for now. I did those two deals around the rail. I did this whole back edge here, and then I went around the side, around the whole edge perimeter of the AC unit. Okay, and then that edge there, just have to run those screws in, but it should be fine for the winter. And then that guy right there, that railing, and along with the cover that I sealed up and put back together. Haven't done the refrigerator vent yet, but I think this will hold up through the winter. Then put this seal in around here, so it should be fine. Those little holes resealed. I didn't go around the outside of this AC unit just because of the fact that it doesn't puddle up here. Got this all sealed, that all sealed, and those guys. Now I'm able to look. Now I'm able to go ahead and work on the inside of this RV.
Probably one more thing I'll do before the snow falls, or before I'm gonna attempt to do this winter, is a caulk along this whole edge line here. That goes right into the walls if I don't caulk that up. So we're gonna get that done. And I got all my stuff in this tote here in the backpack. I'm gonna carefully get down here without touching any of this new sealed area, which looks amazing to me. We're not going to be able to get the roll-on coating done, but after we get all the vents we need to get done in next year, then we'll put the roll-on membrane, like the ceramic coated membrane, the silver stuff that keeps the heat out. All right, guys. Here we go. Have a great night, and I'll see you when this is getting posted.